Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, EFI, well, basically how to convert your bike to carb, right? All we need is our special manifold, complete with the adapter. This is an HSR45 for a Sportster, believe it or not. It's going to give him some serious power. Okay, you get your, basically your fuel tap. Your adapter, there is actually a nut to go with this specially shaped nut, which we haven't got at the moment, but that will be in any day. And obviously the master plan, the HSR45, this is a nice chrome top one. Fuel pipe, and away you go. So basically, if you're interested in any carburetor conversions, you know, if you want to take your Stevie off, use a decent manifold. This, as you can see, beautifully smooth on the inside. We also do Mikuni genuine ones, you know, bags and bags of offers and choices. Polished carbs, you know, HSR 42, 45, 48, depends on what bore, what sort of horsepower you want to make. Okay, but do remember, you do need a big exhaust to get rid of that excess gas once you've got that power. Okay, so you don't want restricted headers or mufflers. If you're interested in any power gains or whatever for your bike, nitrous, we do superchargers, got pro charger, got a magna charger for sale. Give us a bell, 01773 835 666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.